In this segment, we are going to discuss the calculation of a predetermined overhead rate. The example we'll use is Exercise 3-1. Exercise 3-1 deals with the Logan Products Company, which computes its predetermined overhead rate annually on the basis of direct labor hours. At the beginning of the year, it estimated that 40,000 direct labor hours would be required for the period's estimated level of production. The company also estimated that $466,000 of fixed manufacturing overhead expenses for the coming period and variable manufacturing overhead of $3 per direct labor hour. Logan's actual manufacturing overhead for the year was $713,400 and total direct labor was 41,000 hours. We're required to compute the predetermined overhead rate for the year. The estimated total manufacturing overhead cost is computed as the total cost representing Y equals $466,000 of fixed manufacturing overhead plus $3 per direct labor hour. Alright, we're told that there are 40,000 direct labor hours expected for the coming year. Therefore, our estimated total manufacturing overhead cost would be the estimated fixed overhead of $466,000 plus the estimated variable manufacturing overhead of $120,000, which is calculated by taking $3 per direct labor hour multiplied by 40,000 direct labor hours. We add the $466,000 plus the $120,000, we come up with an estimated total manufacturing overhead cost of $586,000. In order to calculate a predetermined overhead rate, we take the estimated total manufacturing overhead divided by the estimated total direct labor hours, which is the cost driver used to estimate or allocate manufacturing overhead in this particular example. When we divide $586,000 by 40,000 estimated direct labor hours, we come up with a predetermined overhead rate of $14.65 per direct labor hour, which means that in a job costing system, whenever a company has one direct labor hour allocated to a job, we will then need to allocate $14.65 of overhead to that job. This concludes our discussion of Exercise 3-1.